Imagine taking your very first bite, a crispy crust, melted cheese, rich tomato sauce. It's one of the world's favorite foods, but have you ever wondered who invented pizza? Was it always covered with cheese? And how did a simple meal for poor people become a global billion-dollar industry? Today we'll uncover the amazing history of pizza and the incredible journey that turned a humble flatbread into one of the world's most beloved foods. The story begins thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, all made flatbreads. These breads were often topped with herbs, olive oil, or cheese. They were simple, easy to cook, and filling. Although they weren't the pizza we know today, they laid the foundation for one of history's greatest foods. Fast forward to the 1700s. In Naples, Italy, many working-class families were poor. They needed food that was cheap, quick, and satisfying. Street vendors sold flatbread topped with garlic, lard, herbs, and later, tomatoes. At the time, many Europeans believed tomatoes were poisonous because they belonged to the same plant family as deadly nightshade. But the people of Naples discovered they were delicious. This simple tomato-topped flatbread became the first true pizza. In 1889, a special event changed pizza forever. Italy's Queen Margherita visited Naples. A local pizza maker named Raffaele Esposito prepared 3 different pizzas for her. The Queen's favorite used red tomatoes, white mozzarella cheese, and fresh green basil. Together, the colors matched the Italian flag. The pizza was named Pizza Margherita. Today, it's still one of the most famous pizzas in the world. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, millions of Italians emigrated to countries like the United States. They brought their recipes with them. Small pizza shops began opening in cities such as New York and Chicago. At first, pizza was mainly eaten by Italian communities, but after World War II, American soldiers who had tasted pizza in Italy returned home wanting more. Its popularity exploded. Soon, pizza restaurants appeared across the country, then across the world. Today, pizza comes in countless varieties: thin crust, thick crust, deep dish, stuffed crust, wood-fired, gluten-free, and even dessert pizzas. Different countries have created unique toppings. Some prefer seafood, others enjoy spicy meats. Some even add pineapple, no matter the topping. The basic idea remains the same: a baked flatbread with flavorful toppings. Making pizza is also a science. Yeast makes the dough rise by producing carbon dioxide. High heat creates a crispy crust through a process called the Maillard reaction. Cheese melts and stretches because of its proteins and fats. Tomatoes provide natural acidity, balancing the rich flavors. Every ingredient plays an important role. Great pizza is both cooking and chemistry. The next time you enjoy a slice of pizza, remember, you're eating a food with centuries of history. What began as a simple meal for ordinary people in Naples has become one of the most loved foods on earth. Sometimes, the greatest inventions aren't machines. They're recipes that bring people together.
If you're interested in discovering the hidden science behind everyday fruits, for more fascinating stories about fruits, vegetables, nutrition, and the incredible wonders of nature, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Harvest Facts.